Hello everyone, we want to introduce another product that's available through Sloan Express. It's the corn divider point for your John Deere corn heads, specifically your 600, 700, and even the new C-Series corn heads. The biggest thing on this one is just make sure you get 30-inch rows. I know there's some 20-inch rows out there as well, but we want to keep it focused on the 30-inch, otherwise it won't fit. Made here in the USA, so it's a very good product behind a company that has manufactured these products in the past. We'll also go over some of the other pieces that are on here. That way you know you're getting a direct replacement part, and we'll touch on that here real quick. Just show you everything that's available on this or what we've had installed on it. So you get all your wear pads, those are already mounted and screwed together. And then you also have your pivot bushings that are already inserted. Then on the back here where your ear savers are at, those bushings are inserted, so all you gotta do is put your existing ear savers on or buy some new ones and put them on as well. Then we get into some of the inner parts where you got some of your threaded bushings for brackets, running some of your wiring down if you've got a sensor down at the front for row sensing. We've also got that down at the bottom as well. We've got those 4 threaded inserts in there to put that bracket on too. If you have any other questions on this product, you can check it out at sloanex.com or you can give us a call at 800-934-9777.